Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosalie and I'm so excited to show you my new pattern, Calli the Cactus. The pattern available as a PDF. It's minimal sews. The only thing that you're sewing on is the flower to the cactus. It's pretty easy, beginner friendly, and includes photo and video instructions to help you in difficult moments. I'd like to give a special thanks to my talented testers. They are amazing crocheters and their feedback helped make this pattern perfect. You can find this pattern in my Etsy shop. It's also available to my Advanced Club members on Patreon this month. Don't forget to check out my free patterns on my Instagram page as well. I really hope you enjoy my new pattern. I'll leave the links in the description below the video for you to check it out. See you again!